Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step process on how to download Genshin Impact application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your app store to begin. In the search box, type in Genshin Impact and perform your search. Soon after you find the application, tap on the download button to download the app right away on your iPhone. Now wait until the application gets downloaded, which is a quick process, but make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Genshin Impact is an open-world action role-playing game developed by MiHoYo. You can play the Genshin Impact on your mobile device or PC whenever you want after you download the application. Once the download is completed, you can simply open up the application and start playing the game right away. That was how you can easily download Genshin Impact on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.